Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.